How to fix Windows 11 snipping tool not working. Method 1. Set the date before October 31st, 2021. Right-click Start, and select Settings. In the left pane, select Time and Language, and then select Date and Time. Toggle off the slider next to Set Time Automatically. Then click Change next to set the date and time manually. Set the date to October 30th, 2021, and click Change. Open the snipping tool to see if it works. You can try changing the date back to automatic, and the snipping tool should work. Change it back to manual, and set the date back to October 30th, 2021, if it doesn't. Method 2. Repair and reset the snipping tool. Right-click Start, and select Apps and Features. Scroll through the apps list, and find Snipping Tool. Click the ellipsis next to Snipping Tool, and select Advanced Options. Make sure that Pictures and App Permissions are enabled. In the Background Apps and Permissions section, open the drop-down menu, and select Always. In the Reset section, click Repair. If Snipping Tool still doesn't work, click Reset. Click Reset again to confirm the action. Method 3. Run the System File Checker scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now, and press the Enter key. Restart your PC. Method 4. Reinstall the snipping tool using PowerShell. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in PowerShell, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open PowerShell as an administrator. In the PowerShell window, type in the command shown on the screen, and press the Enter key. Snipping tool will be uninstalled. Then type in the next command shown on the screen, and press Enter. The latest build of snipping tool will be installed. You can copy these commands from our article linked in the video description. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.